There are actually three types of data that we generally talk about: first-party data, second-party data, and third-party data. So first-party data is the data that you own, that is yours, because you've collected it. Perhaps from your website, your social channels, your mobile app, your forms. It's the data that you owned. Now, even if you're using a third party to provide a service, such as a ticketing company or an online store provider, so long as the way you've set up the relationship, the contracts and the processes are in line with best practice approach to data, that is still considered your data. It's still considered first party data. If it isn't, if it's actually data belonging to that third party, the merchandise partner or the ticketing system, then we recommend you do a bit of work there, because it really should be your data. Now, this is where things get a little bit complicated, because I just mentioned your ticketing vendor and your merchandise, and I naturally referred to them being third parties. But actually, in the context of this discussion, they are considered second parties. It's second party data. It's data belonging to partners and organisations that have an actual relationship with you, but they're still a separate entity to you. So we actually call them second party data. So when your ticketing system provider hands you the data that belongs to you because it's of your fans and your customers, whilst we consider them a third party, the data itself is coming from a second party. It's second party data.